Hi, I am Nick. Today I will reaction this cute video. Hope you love it.
This is not just a dog. This is my best friend. Always by my side. Always faithful.
So adorable.
Can't imagine life without my dog.
This is freaking cute. So cute, OMG.
This is my puppy.
What's her name?
Margaret.
You love her?
Yes, I love her. And this is, she's growing. She's gonna be a big dog. And she's my puppy. You think I'm cute? Yes or no? Yes?
I love it.
Fuck you, my child is completely fine.
So adorable.
Hello? What are you doing, little sweet? Huh?
Do you have a pet?
You don't want me to pet you? Come on back out. Hey, girl. What are you doing? Hey.
Cooter, come give me attention. Don't look at me like that. You're scaring me. Don't do that. Cooter, you look like a shark. Don't do that. See, the thing is, I didn't do anything to you for you to abuse me like that.
It's a dog? I'm taking it home.
So my coworker was actually wrong.
Come here, buddy.
This is not a dog.
I love it.
This is my boy. He is a fox. just like his daddy.
Wow, I'm so proud of you.
You can take a small bite. Just bite the corner like this. You see? Just bite it. Gentle.
Cooter, can you please tell me what you did all day while I was at work? I told you to vacuum the living room.
It's thirsty. Do you want? How do I give it water?
Damn. Damn, boy. Damn, boy, he's thick. Boy, that's a thick ass boy. Damn.
Thanks for watching. Like, comment and share the video.